In this document I have 240 pages, you can see here on the left. And what I need some info about this table here. I need some numbers, but I need to use them in the last page. So I could copy the table, move there and so on, but let's see one simple solution. So open here, window, new window, move the window to the right, and on the left you can keep the table and you can edit on this document. And here I need to comment about this table. So let's comment in table 1 I have in column C the number 2356. Okay, so very easy. I see on the left it's the same table. If, for example, I found that this is a mistake, I have here it should be a 8. I can edit in the same document in the table, and I can correct also on page 100 here, because I have the same number. If I'm correcting, for example, here 60, I can comment about that here. See number 60. And maybe here is 9. Okay. Very easy. I can see the table and also the content, the comments, my comments about that table in the text simultaneously. Okay. So using window and new window. If I finish, I can close this window. And now, if I'm moving to the page 100, you can see I have comments about that number and this number. Thanks for watching.